Welcome to part 2 of my Linux tutorial series. Today is just going to be a real simple one. We're just going to install Apache2 web server. And I think I solved some of the issues with Linux crashing. For some reason my computer doesn't like it when it runs in full screen. But we're just going to run it in a window mode, and we're just going to open up a terminal. This is very simple. This is going to be an easy one. All we have to do is run one command to install Apache2. So we'll do that. It's sudo apt install Apache2. So when we use Linux, there's certain privileges a user has, and when we use the sudo command, as I understand it, it's super user do. So it basically temporarily gives you super user access, and I dare say that's root access or administrator access. But so when we run the command, it's going to ask us for the sudo password. So enter in our password, hit enter, found the package, and we're going to go ahead with the installation. So we hit Y and enter. And there we go, that's it. So once we have Apache installed, I'm going to test it by going to a web browser, and I'm going to enter in the loopback address. I'm going to specify port 80. And there we go. We've got the Apache2 default page. This has some useful information on how to configure the web server. So I just went straight to the deep end and tried to just run the web page. But the proper way to check is this command. Well, this is a system way of checking if the web server is active. System TTL status. Apache2. We'll run this, and you can see here it's running. So we might open up another terminal here, prove we have control of this web server. We'll do another tab A. We're gonna change directory to var ls, and we do have the folder, so change directory to www ls, and we're gonna HTML file, so we'll change directory to there. And in here we should have our index.html. So what if I open up nano? Alright, and we'll just make a basic HTML page. Doing this all off the top of my head, so I don't think I'm gonna get it right. You close the tag, dude? Hope so. Oh, yep, noobing it with my mouse. We'll do a body tag. It doesn't seem right. Doesn't look right. The whole closing. I don't think I'm doing it correct. Gonna take a punt. So we'll do a h1 tag. And we'll put a welcome message here. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put this in parentheses. We'll write this file out. This might work. I haven't done this in ages, so I'm guessing Control O. And we'll call this index dot index 2 dot html and hit enter. Oh, okay, interesting. All right, so I forgot to run sudo. I'm gonna copy all this. I don't know how to select all in Nano. Oh, we'll just a way to. Oh, okay. I can just do it with a cursor. Alright, we'll exit this. It won't save. We'll run nano again, but sudo nano. Got a password. And we'll paste in our HTML. Nice. And we'll write it back out as index2 dot html. Enter. Okay, interesting. So we'll exit out of here and we'll see if we can loop back and go to index2.html. Brilliant. There we go. We've got a very basic web page. So I guess that concludes the second episode of my Linux tutorial series. If there's anyone out there, thanks for watching.